So in the last video, I spoke about how to get an eSIM card for free. However, these eSIM cards come with time limits. Some of these websites that are provided give a time limit of 1 month at best. Some give a time limit of 3 months. So they basically give like free trial, and you try to use it. If you find it interesting, then all you have to do is just to pay and continue using it. However, the next one of these free trials, if you're trying to sign up, that will tell you to input your credit card, which is a problem because at the end of the day, let's say you decide to input a credit card that you have and you forget to remove it, or you don't enjoy the services and you forget to remove it, I will deduct your money heavily. Some are expensive, some are very, very affordable, but in this Tinubu regime, no one wants to lose any amount of money that they didn't plan for. So I thought about this and decided to bring a solution to that. I'm going to show you a website where you can generate free credit card and use on website like this that require credit cards for their own free trial. All right, so if you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make easy full tutorial, so I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also drop a comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like this video. Quick one before I dive in: as this credit card that you're generating, you won't be able to use it to make payments online. All right, they are just like dummy credit cards. You can add money into it and you can't make payments online. They are just like dummy credit cards. All you have to do is just to input them, generate them, and input them where probably there's a requirement for you to put in like a credit card before you be able to access a free trial. So don't try to think that you'll be able to make a payment online. If you want to make payments online, if you need a credit card to make payments online, just comment credit card in the description below, and then I will make a separate video on that, on how to get a credit card that can use to pay on dollar sites or other things in dollars. All right, so without wasting much time, just get down to business. So I'll be switching to my PC and then I will show you. It's very easy and straightforward. This video is not even supposed to be this long, but I intended to explain all of that and put it out there. So let me just switch to my PC and show you how it's done. So first, come to this website here. All right, so this is the name of the website here. So when you get to this website, all you have to do is just come to this tool and expand it, then come on card generator. All right, so when you get to this place here, then you can either select if you want like a Visa card or a Mastercard. It all depends on what the website is asking for. All right, so let's say we want to generate like a Mastercard. All right, so all you have to do is just to click on generate card, and your card will be generated within few minutes. So you can make use of this card, generate like a name for you, generate like literally everything that can do use to bypass any website that is requesting for you to pay for putting the card for free trial. All right, so hold on before you leave. This video is strictly for educational purposes only, so no matter what you do, don't use this for any ill intent. All right, it's strictly for educational purposes only. So that's it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. You can also like this video. See you guys in the next video.
Want to start earning $1,000 a week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks?
Real freelancers don't wait. They start earning today.
Want to start earning $1,000 per week online but stuck at account signups, failed exams, or verification roadblocks? White heavy check mark, we've got you covered. By verified freelance accounts, Telus, OneForma, Appen, Remo Tasks, Wellocalize, and more. Get exam answers that work and breeze through verifications, all done fast, securely, and anonymously. Globe showing Europe Africa trusted by over 500 freelancers worldwide. Ready to stop failing and start earning? White right pointing backhand index DM now. Spots are limited.